After setting up the cash flow statement, we construct another audit check to make sure that the cash ending balance within the cash flow statement matches the one in the balance sheet. We can copy and paste the audit cells we build under the balance sheet. By pasting the cells, we can avoid having to set the green and red coloring conditional formatting. All we need to do is to change the formula to absolute value, cash ending balance within the cash flow statement, minus cash balance in the balance sheet to be less than the tolerance, in this case, 0.01. These formula make sure their cash balance matches every year. As the financial model becomes bigger and more complicated, you will have multiple such audit sections. You should build an audit sheet to gather all of the audit results. Audit sheet quickly identifies if there are any errors within the spreadsheet, without having to actively look around identifying the errors. First, we list all of the audit items we have constructed within the spreadsheet. Then, link the audit results to the audit sheet. In the cell E2, put in formula to test if all of the audit items listed under shows true. Delete unnecessary columns and rows. Then freeze pane. As you add more audit cells, then you should link this results to the audit sheet, so you can identify if there is anything wrong within the model at a glance. If you like, rather than showing true or false, you can paste one of the audit cells formats. Then the audit sheet will signal by color. Now let's see how the audit sheet functions. If the cash balance between 2022 and 2025 do not match, then cash balance audit shows red signal, indicating errors. This is reflected in the audit sheet, and cell E4 shows red signal. If any of the audit items show red signal, then E2 cell signals red. As long as E2 cell is green, there are no errors identified within the spreadsheet. Similarly, if there are any debit-credit mismatch in the balance sheet within any given year, the audit sheet indicates errors. Lastly, we recommend setting tolerance value within the audit sheet. In both balance sheet and check balance audit cells, we used 0.01 as our tolerance. We set the formulas so that the difference is smaller than 0.01. Rather than hard-coding 0.01 in all of the formulas, it is better practice to set the tolerance in one cell and refer to it. The reason why we define tolerance, in other words, the reason why the tolerance is not 0 is because due to the limitation of rounding operation done by computers. Even when you should have calculation result of 0, due to Excel inaccuracies, it is sometimes something like 0.00000001. This shows error, even though there are no errors. In order to avoid false errors, we define the tolerance and accept the deviations within the range.